I seriously cannot wait to get out of quarantine so I get my damn nails fixed, because this is just not cute. Hi guys, and welcome back to another contact lens review. This is on the same brand, TTDEYE. I just uploaded a video with the same company on another color. If you guys haven't seen that, go check the last video. I'll go ahead and leave it right here. This one is on the color Queen Gray. So they're called Queen Gray, but they do not look gray at all. They look more of like a turquoise color. So these are the ones that I have in my eyes right now. Obviously, I'm very tan. This is So I have been wearing these for a little bit, and I have to say they're really comfortable. Only thing I have a problem with is the pupil hole feels a little bit smaller than I like. I usually like when it's a little wider so that I can see through a little bit better. Also kind of covers more of the color in your own eye, which could make it look more natural, and sometimes it makes it look a little like buggy. I'll show you what I mean up close. These stand out so much, and they really do just grab your attention. Like, they're very, very beautiful contacts. I love them. So up close, this is what they're looking like. I'll turn the lights even higher. Whew. And then you can really see the color in them. And then I have a ring light on, and I have some natural daylight coming in through my window. So I'm going to lower the lighting a little bit more. And this is what they look like. They almost look like a turquoise blue color, really. And obviously it depends on your natural eye color underneath. That's going to make the difference in the lens. And obviously I have a little bit of a list because I do have my Smile Direct liners in. So it's a little hard to talk, so never mind that. Just focus on the contacts, okay? I'm gonna get even closer for you. So this is what they look like even closer, and you know what? They do look pretty gray up close now that I look at them. And then what I'll do is I'll lower the light even more. That way you can see them in more like natural lighting. They look very, very blue, I have to say. And as you can see, this one's kind of shifting a little bit. Like, there's a little bit of shift, but not horrible. And then I'm going to turn the lights back up a little higher so you can see the lenses. Alright, so that is what the lenses look like. They do come in a little box like this. Again, if you guys didn't watch my last video, go watch it because I showed you the packaging and all of that. TTDEYE has such beautiful holographic packaging. I love it. And they also sent me this little contact lens holder. And they also sent me a little case that comes with the little applicator and the remover. So I'm going to take this lens out first. So now you can see this is my natural color eye. And then this is the contact lens. So if you have really, really dark eyes, obviously you're going to get really, really great pigmentation with these contact lenses. They cover your natural eye color so well, and they look pretty natural for, you know, wearing fake lenses. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put that lens back in. And I have had these before, and I loved them. I had them for an entire year, and then I had to get rid of them. And then it's that easy to pop them in. They're not super thick, they're not cheaply made, so they're very comfortable to just pop in your eye. And they do a really good job at packaging and letting you know it is Queen Gray. And I will leave the link for you guys down below on where you can order them. Go ahead and check them out, and check out their Instagram too. I believe they've reposted a few lenses that I've worn in the past, but I will leave their Instagram below, and I will go ahead and leave a link directly to this color for you guys if you guys want to try them out, okay? Alright guys, so that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed, and if you have any questions about the contact lenses, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Also do me a favor and leave a comment below with your favorite contact lens brand and whether or not you've ever worn contact lenses that are colored contacts. Thank you guys so much. Mwah! Until next time. Bye-bye.